Hi, it's Angela from North Carolina, and I'm going to make some Dawn Powerwash Refill for you for a cost of about 50 cents. We're paying about $5.99 here for the Powerwash. It is our absolute favorite, so I'm going to make it real quick. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of Dawn. I'm putting it all in one cup to go ahead and mix it up, make it easier for me to pour in to my Powerwash bottle. 2, 3. I would not recommend buying the Dawn imitation because you really want this to work. If you've never used Powerwash, oh my gosh, the foam comes out in this wonderful spray and it coats everything. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of isopropyl alcohol. And I'm going to pour that into my bottle. I'm going to stir it up just a second. Make it easy to go in. Here we go. So there we go with my soap and my alcohol. Would you believe these are the 2 main ingredients? So I want to get the rest of my soap. So I've got 13 ounces of water. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here too. No sense letting all this good stuff go to waste. Now don't use your tap water. I have used some, not distilled, but I've used drinking water. They prefer distilled or drinking water. There's bacteria in tap water. And once you make this, it might sit around the house for a month before you use it all up. So we have it. I'm going to put in the rest of my water. So we've got my 13 ounces of water, my 2 tablespoons of isopropyl alcohol, and my 4 tablespoons of Dawn. And I always use the Powerwash bottle. So part of your investment in this is going to be to buy the bottle first. It doesn't work with a bottle like your Windex bottle or your Awesome bottle. Let me show you why. Let me shake it up real quick. Okay, if you've never used it, watch how it... Look at that. And I haven't even shook it up real good yet. Look how it does now. See how it coats every little thing? If you put it in a basic spray bottle, that won't happen. Well, good luck to you, and I think you will love it. Give it a try. Dawn Powerwash hack. Can't wait to save money. I love to save money. Bye-bye.